Yabona mama kuliwa. Awusho ukuthi phinda kusasa. Ngishaya umuntu manje.
It's the list, first point.
You can send it to him. You can WhatsApp it to me.
No, memorandum asenze for that day yokuthi babe khona bonke.
Which is when? Because
so
now
we've agreed on 48 hours.
Yes,
from now.
I understand that. Yeah. But now, from here, what's going to happen? Because some staff, of the staff are inside, and some are coming at 6 o'clock. So, and prolonging that time to 48 hours, and now, what does it mean to an operation? Because now, according to me, we can't relax any loopholes that you carried on with an operation while you are sitting in an aircon discussing us and where to go.
So
because now, if this is a crisis, it must be dealt as a crisis matter, so that we wait here, you go and discuss with your bosses, then you come back, because now this thing of continuous waiting, it would never work for us. If we stand here and prohibit any entrance or any operation to continue until you solve this matter, or we go to jail, let it be, because now you have been abusing these people for a very long time. Okay, so according to me, I'm not going anywhere standing here until you come back. If you say you are going to speak to your managers, and then if they are really serious about their business, and you are really serious about taking care of the people, we are not going anywhere now until 6 o'clock. These people that are coming in will not go I need this matter to be resolved now, please, because we are in crisis. There's no way. We can't go back and forth, never.
Okay, so this is my last comment, guys, before I leave. I think the two of you need to come to an agreement as to what she's allowed us 48 hours, you say now.
I'm saying
okay?
Hours,
so from our side,
hours is for you to decide to bring them back.
So from our side, we will go back to TASTIC and we'll have a chat.
No. Based on
TASTIC is not here.
Because there are some staff members.
You can even call them where you want.
No, you won't put me under pressure to call them now. I'll call them when I feel like calling them, and I'll leave.
You see, now you are disrespecting us. When you answering me in that way, you are disrespecting me. This is a crisis.
Yeah, they understand it's a crisis. They know it's a crisis.
We honor that you came and respected you and
bring them back
but
to work.
Please be fair to them, because now we can't move back and forth, and then for you guys to come here and then you see that as angry as we are, but we are not fighting. We are being fair, laying points on the table. Can those points be taken serious just for once, please, and go and discuss with the management, and just maybe an hour, then you come back. Because now you stop the operation here, make the commodity here, more journalists are coming to this side, and what is all that?
Okay, we'll express
the head office coming back and everything.
We will catch your plastic down and express your concerns to them.
Please, yes. We will wait here. They are escorting you. We are not fighting. But now, can we be fair and respect us? I'm not going to move anywhere.
It's 11 o'clock now, so maybe give us till, let's say, by the time I get to them, let's say by 1 o'clock, come back here.
You'll come back.
You'll be and leave this place.
You'll find us here.
You'll come back at 1 o'clock.
Thank you.
We'll give you feedback at 1 o'clock. We're going to talk to them now.
No, but can you respect us as you came here physically? We will need you to come here back physically. Gentlemen, please. Can we
will engage our clients and we'll take the mandate from them as to what they want us to do.
Yes, because now all of these people, some they were supposed to go in and work. They are outside. Can you imagine those coming out, staying with us, and the 6 o'clock one is standing with us? And then what about the operation?
Okay.
So you are creating more problems instead of solving the little problem that is still.
But one thing I want to tell you, the management, TASTIC management is inside.
I don't know because I haven't seen them, and I haven't been inside.
They are inside. Why are you not just going inside there and talking?
Because nobody's allowed us to go inside. We were asked to wait on the road and be escorted here. So even us, we were not allowed into the premises. So I can't even tell you if they're inside or not. Okay. When we got you,
okay, wait.